At EVIT, you'll start building skills from day one. In our plumbing program, you'll gain experience with residential and commercial systems, preparing you for a career that's always in demand. You'll work toward earning your NCCER Core and Level 1 certification, giving you the credentials to step straight into the industry or continue on with our apprenticeship program. With EVIT, you'll be set to launch a stable, rewarding career in plumbing.
The plumbing program has changed my life because I have a goal of getting a job, which I didn't really have before. I wasn't quite sure what I wanted, and this has helped me find out something that I want to do. Instead of just working a minimum wage job, I can start a career here.
If I become a plumber, it can open up even more avenues for me to go on to do bigger, better things.
EVIT is helping me prepare for my future because I'm able to work with my hands and get real-world experiences. It's a really good program, and it shows me a path that I can take.
Your future, your way, at EVIT. Enroll today at evit.edu